Hey, what's up, millionaires? So, what's going on, my cute brothers? So today video is gone specially for Cardano holder because Cardano is especially gone very fastly, and therefore I decide to make this special video informative price prediction for Cardano holder. So let's get started this brand video, my brother. But first of all, I request you to please, if you are new on our channel, then click the red button. Please click the subscribe button and also like this video after this video is informative for you. Okay, guys. So this time, if you can see here the chart. After first of all, I'm going to show the three chart and this video. The three charts is most important. If you please remember this price, this chant is okay, everything. This chant this time you can see here the previous chant as minus 1.41%. They're going down, very negative chant. The red chant absolutely very bad, you can see here, and the graph result totally gone down. Why the graph result gone down? And the last 1 hour, this is a main issue as that this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency is going totally and those days. So let's see the last 1 day result to what's going on in the last 24-hour result. The last 24-hour result absolutely very important for you. So let's see. Okay, guys, this time if you can see here the last 24-hour result has gone absolutely very good. The last 24-hour result, first of all, they are in positive. Congratulations, my brother, they are in positive, and there is no big dump. You can see here they totally gone up very fastly. So this is good news for all for our Cardano holder. If you can see here, this time they take a small jump, then they're starting this is the tips. You can see here, this is big tips. Please focus this. Okay, if they take a very small dump, then I hope in upcoming day and upcoming time they take a very big jump. Yeah, also you can see here this trick is here, you can see here, also here you can see, and they take a very high jump. So this is very useful trick. Please, if sometime they take a small dump, then this does not mean that they're going down. This is a good trick. You can see here they after that they're going down, then after that they're going very high jump. They jump like a Spider-Man, they're going like a rocket. So absolutely you can see here the price is increasing hour by hour, day by day, and the last previous 7 days all cryptocurrencies goes down. But I can't believe to how is it possible to Cardano gone off. Oh my goodness, because Cardano is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies, and absolutely they're going, if this time they're going off, then I hope in upcoming time they also going up. So let's see to what's going on. Please, if you are any plan to buy more, then please buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care, don't forget to subscribe channel.